In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your TikTok account without your email or phone number. So if you are on this screen and you click already have an account and you click login, it's going to ask you a bunch of different ways you can log in. If I click on the first one, you can only choose phone or email address. Now, of course, here you can click on forget password and then you can reset it with either phone number or an email, but we don't know those two. So what you can do is click on the top right on this question mark and say recover your account. Now, of course, if you have remembered accounts, they will be available on this screen. If not, go to TikTok username, write your username, then click on next. And here you will be able to verify it by your email. Again, you can click on need help to furthermore add your feedback or a problem. And then you just submit it with text like I need help, I don't know this and that or whatever. And the second way is to go to your browser and type in feedback TikTok. Click on the first thing, wait for it to load out, and then just use your email address, username, etc. and tell them the exact problem you have, that you can't log in or you forgot this and that. Show them some proof or some videos you remember creating for that account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.